Hey there everyone, Aaron Spalsbury here at 3X Logic. Today I'm really excited to be showing you a new feature that we have inside of VIGIL version 13 here, and that is part of our ANPR search. Now you may notice I've gone ahead and connected here off to the left. I'm going to be looking under the Analytics tab, and the one I'm after today is going to be ANPR, and in fact I'll even expand this out. Just go ahead and double click on the search button here, and this will open up our primary search window that allows us to then put in a number of things that we can search for. Of course, we do have things like date and time here. We've also got all of our cameras that are currently running ANPR, or even a particular plate number. We can come in here and manually enter that and it will search for it. If I did want to look across any country, I can search by any country, as well as any state. Of course, this is just simply a drop-down menu here. Any classification in terms of, is it a bus, a car, a large truck, etc. Or even if I'm looking for any particular color of a vehicle, I can search for that as well. Over here off to the right, we can search by make and model. And in this case, today I'm going to go ahead and do a search for, how about a Ford? Oh, let's see. How about something like an F-Series? I believe we have that in here. Yeah, there you go. That'll be all the F-150s, Expeditions, all the F-Series based trucks. You can even search by minimum confidency level, and that is how accurate the analytic has picked up the license plate, or what it thinks it really is. Confidency level is just, hey, it gets a good shot of it, or maybe it didn't. Maybe part of the license plate was obscured. That, of course, would drop the confidency level, but just for this demo purpose, I'll leave this set to 50%. You can even search across if this is any of the alarms that it's been triggered, and I'll show you how to set up an alarm here in a minute, but we can allow plates or deny, and obviously trigger relay outputs and do things like that. So we've got a Ford F-Series in here. I'll even jump in here and knock this back, let's say just a few days. Once I have my criteria entered, come over here and hit the search button. Sure enough, here's a whole bunch of different plates that we have in here. We've got Indiana, Florida, pickup, Ford, gray, etc. All of this stuff that's in here, as well as that confidency level that we have on these. Now let's go ahead and just simply double click on one of these. It's going to bring up a thumbnail of the license plate briefly, and then of course it's going to take us to the video of that particular plate. If I come down here and hit play on this, we can actually scroll this forward. Sure enough, we can see that that is the plate here. I'll go ahead and zoom in on it. Even if I click on what it has put into the database, that will bring up another larger image of it so that I can even compare these two and see what this particular plate is. This is the information that gets put into our database, this license plate. That means that I can do things with certain license plates inside of here. For instance, if I come over here to alarm settings, I can actually pick and choose what I want to do with this particular alarm. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to have a particular camera that it comes from, or even what the event is going to be, either allow or deny that particular plate. If I did have a plate in here, for instance, maybe it's something like ABC123. The software has never seen ABC123. However, if that plate shows up in my system, I can generate an alarm off of it. And you'll notice down here at the bottom, you also do have a confidency level that you can change here. This particular image that I have has a great shot of this license plate. This captures a lot of detail. I can see what's going on very, very well in the image. But if it were perhaps snowing, raining, it's at night, they may have a license plate cover over it, or in this case, as you can even see on that one there, even some of the snow that's covering the bottom of the license plate. You can modify that confidency level. But guys, I wanted to just kind of walk you through this wonderful feature that we've added inside of VIGIL version 13 here on how to do an ANPR search and set up some alarms inside of the system. We sure hope you enjoy these videos. Of course, like and subscribe if you want to be updated on the latest ones that we're releasing. And guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.